motorcycle riders obey, and they give funds to the kids and stuff. Some of them don't write it right. I mean, they're doing it. They just like they're making more noise.
I think the media has a problem with trying to answer big questions by our deadline versus how life actually plays out. I think we also have a problem with taking slogans that were designed by political campaigns and parties with an agenda and being unintentional carriers of their agenda, right? So we say, well, what is parents' rights? And I saw this great tweet by Jamel Hill where CBS asked, when is too early to talk about race? And Jamel asked all of her followers, well, when was the first time you dealt with racism? And there were thousands of tweets, many from black people who were saying, when I was like 4, when I was 5. So the framing is off here. We're talking about when is too early, when for an entire demographic, this is reality from the day that we are born, right? So who are we talking about exactly? So I think, again, the larger point I'm making is that we fall into this trap. We're manipulated, and we repeat the phrases, right, trying to answer the questions that the phrase put out there to intentionally derail the public dialogue. Nicole, how do you see this?
Yeah, I agree. Is a failure to inform. There was a recent poll that came out that showed that 57% of people had no idea what was in the Build Back Better bill.
Or if you got on the bike.
Some of that is on leaders and consumers' behavior, but it does suggest that there's been so much slogan here and so much talk about race politics and the stuff. About what's in this piece of legislation.
What is that the politicians' fault? Is it all the Democrats to explain it?
Democrats should explain this bill, but then I think that journalists have a role to say what's in this bill that's about to be passed. I mean, the big problem with Democrats is not saying what's in the bill, it's telling a story about what's in the bill, right? And connecting with people emotionally about what's in the bill. But it does seem like journalists have a role on the informational side of things.
Right. And Claire, this has to do with different forms of media, doesn't it? Right? Television news versus deep dives on digital or behind subscriber paywalls. Sometimes if you're just getting free or cheap news that's on the web, you're not getting the substance, you're not getting the
That's right. I mean, I do think all politics is marketing, and there's a reason